Tesla's wireless charging platform is well made and exorbitant. Exorbitant. It's basically Apple's failed to launch AirPower Matte, but with Cybertruck aesthetics.
Remember this? Now I feel like people are getting them now.
What, they're shipping?
Yeah.
Didn't we order one?
We did. I'm pretty sure. As well as a burnt hair cologne.
What?
Perfume.
What?
From Boring Company. Still no update yet. Whether or not they're going to ship it, but...
Can you go back up to the top of that?
What?
Okay, never mind. We're good. So people are getting this. This thing's arriving, and it costs a lot of money.
I forgot.
$300. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
At $300, Tesla's offering is twice the cost of the priciest item on a roundup of multi-device wireless charger. Yeah, it's kind of a play out of Apple's book to a certain. I don't know why it feels that way. It feels that Tesla retail has a real Apple vibe to it. It's a wireless charging platform with a USB-C cable integrated with a wireless charger, 65-watt USB-C power adapters in there, and a magnetic detachable stand. I don't know why they wanted to do this, but it's 15 watts of fast power per device. I know they kind of want to flex the engineering muscle a little bit in other categories other than automotive. Could they become a major player in consumer electronics? The charging mat is just one step. Like, could they do a phone at one point? Maybe. I don't know. It's possible, but apparently, like, these things from an engineering perspective are more ambitious than they look on the surface. And this is one of the reasons why Apple kind of bailed on the whole deal. There were issues with heat and portability and just a lot going on that wasn't landing where they wanted. And then price point being one of those things as well. And here you end up with they're definitely making a healthy kind of margin here, but you're still talking about $300. And that was set to begin shipping March 2023. So hence the people receiving it. But we did order it. So hopefully we'll have a video for you pretty soon. But as you can see here, you're charging an Android device, an iPhone, and some AirPods. I mean, this is kind of something, it's what everybody wants, really. And in this case, it's all on one pad instead of having the things separated or on different sort of attachment points.
Exciting.
Yeah, it's cool.